Okay, guys, I've been asked to do um, an analysis for Nas100. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it quick and straight to the point. I use price action, no indicators, no nothing. So you'd find I have some indicators right here. These are for my testing. There's some things that I'm testing, but when it comes to my live trading, I don't use any indicators. So Nas100, let's try to go first on the weekly to see what's happening with Nas100. I don't usually trade this pair, but since you guys have requested it, I'll go for it. Okay, let's see on the weekly time frame. Nasdaq is on an uptrend. We can see that over here. Okay, generally it's on an uptrend. So we zoom in to the daily to see what's happening on the daily so that we can look for entries if we're going to be selling or we're going to be buying. For now, on the daily, Nasdaq is still buying. Okay, we can draw up a trend line here. Let's put it right here. Okay, and we see that Nas100 recently it came down and up. This is the most this is the highest it had been since April, and it looks like now it has broken the highest high since April. So we have to come a bit closer. I can draw this line from here to here like this. This is the most recent price action. So we know that it's in an uptrend. We can delete this one for now and work with this structure here. Okay, so we see that Nasdaq has had the first touch here, second touch, third touch. So this was going to push up from this third touch. So if we had analyzed it here, we could have looked for a good buy here and probably target this highs for first take profit, which would have been smashed. So if we look at the current structure, we see that Nasdaq has broken the high. So we can draw a level here. Nasdaq has already broken this high. Okay, then we zoom on to the H4 and see what price is currently doing. We zoom out our charts and make sure that our trend lines are correct and accurate. Okay, there you go. And the bottom one should be very accurate. I love my things to be accurate. Okay, then our second touch and third touch right there. Then we draw another trend line to see what price is currently doing. Price is on a steep uptrend from a double bottom here. If you draw this level is a double bottom, which shows why there was a push to the upside. Okay, how is price approaching this level? This price was approaching on a rising wedge, which was trapping people to start selling at that level. So if you go on H1, you will see that Nasdaq was approaching this high, this white line, this high, in a reversal form. But you wouldn't have sold here because you know that price did not give any entry signals here. Entry signals I'll teach you, but for now, this is what Nas100 is doing. Okay, so we have a push. Let me use this tool. Where is that tool? Just wait, I need to find this tool. Where do I find it? Okay, so Nasdaq moved like this and it corrected. Moved like this. We are hoping that it will correct and also move to the upside. But at the same time, what I'm anticipating on Nas100 is that, sorry, this thing is confusing me now. Okay, what I'm expecting now from Nas100 is it can correct. You see how I'm sure on the M5 or M15 it will show you a rising flag, a rising wedge. See, there's a small rising wedge here, which is an indication that price can reverse from here. So we can take this price from there up to here as our first take profit, and price can continue up, or it can come down here, then bounce going up. So I'll be, if it doesn't show me a correction, a reversal pattern here, it means Nasdaq is going to correct somewhere here, and I'll wait for it to push to the outside. Okay, I'll wait for a falling wedge here. I'll wait for a falling wedge like this for me to enter a buy, continuation of this structure of the trend, of the trend, of the trend, of the trend. We'll continue with it up to push up, hopefully somewhere here. Okay, but for now it looks like it's correcting here. It has a reversal pattern. We'll just wait for an indication for us to sell up to this level. If it doesn't give indication of stopping here, it can fall down to the bottom. So this is an analysis that is based on the 1 hour. If you go back to the 1 hour chart, go back to the 1 hour chart, price has broken this level. Price has broken this level, which was the high, the highest high. So what many people are expecting is for it to come here and retest and keep going up. That's what break and retest traders do. But what this structure is telling us is it has made a reversal pattern here. So this small reversal pattern, will just wait for confirmation to sell Nasdaq to these areas. 1, 2. And from here, we expect it to go up. If it doesn't show us a reversal pattern here, it can show us a continuation pattern somewhere. So if it breaks here, we'll wait for it to show us a continuation pattern, a flag, then we'll take it down to this level. So this is what I see on Nasdaq for now. So we'll have to watch. I might enter this one on the sell. I'll update you guys on how the trade will go. But for now, this is the analysis on Nasdaq. Thank you.